Many beginners know words and sentences, but they don't know how to ask questions in English. Today, you will learn this in just a few minutes, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you can make simple English sentences but you don't know how to ask questions in English, then this video is for you. Today, you will learn how to ask questions in English using do, does, did in a very easy step-by-step way. Don't worry about mistake. I am also learning English like you. We will improve together. Why asking questions is important? In real life conversation, we don't only speak sentences. We ask questions. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? Did you study today? So, learning questions is very important for daily English speaking. Do, does, present time questions. We use do with I, you, we, they. Does with he, she, it. Structure do, does plus subject plus base verb plus questions mark. Examples: do you speak English? Do you drink tea? Does she cook food? Does he go to the office? Remember, after does, always use the base verb. Example: does he go? Right. Does he goes? Wrong. Did, past time questions. We use did for past questions. Structure did plus subject plus base verb plus questions mark. Example: did you wake up early yesterday? Did you speak English? Did she cook food? Did he call you? Important rule. After did, always use the base verb. Example: did you go? Right. Did you went? Wrong. We also ask questions using WH words. What, where, when, why, who, how. Examples: what is your name? Where do you live? When do you study? Why are you happy? Who is your English teacher? How do you learn English? These are the most useful questions for real life conversations. Daily life practice questions. Morning questions. Do you wake up early? What do you eat for breakfast? Where do you go in the morning? Afternoon questions. Do you cook lunch? When do you take rest? Who helps you at home? Yesterday wale questions. Did you study English yesterday? Did you watch TV? Why did you sleep late? Practice these every day to improve your confidence. Very simple rule. Do, does, present questions. Did, past questions. WH words, information questions. Important tip for beginners. If you want to speak English fast, ask daily questions. Speak without fear. Using small sentences. Practice every day. And always remember, confidence comes from practice, not from perfect grammar. Now, you can easily ask questions in English. From today, start using simple English questions in your daily life. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And write down in the comment one questions using do, one question using did, one question using WH word. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.